Thank you so much for taking the time to check out Guarantee's website. My name is Jason Fairchild. Today I'm going to take you over a 2021 Heartland Sundance 241BH. We're going to start off on the interior and we'll finish off with the exterior. Follow me inside. In the front of the trailer you can see we've got a nice privatized area for the sleeping. We've got a queen bed up there with storage on each side, a long cabinet, and then cabinets above as well. As we move into the living area, you can see we've got a nice TV in the front. Below that we've got an electric fireplace, which is great for keeping the cooler nights in the summer, keeping that edge off, and just a great ambiance as well. Got a battery kill switch there with the control panel, so we can turn everything off at once if we want to go on a hike. Don't have to worry about maybe, oh, we left that light on in the bathroom and coming back to a dead battery. So here in the living area, very large U-shaped booth dinette. That's kind of what everybody's wanting in these trailers these days. Gives you a large extra sleeping area and then a great place for eating too. You can fit 4 or 5, maybe even 6 around there. Across from that, we've got a nice kitchen with a large stainless steel sink. Above, we've got 2 cabinets. We've got the microwave with the hood combination, 3-burner stove, and we've got a nice oven below that. 3 drawers and storage below the sink. And then we've got this great Dometic fridge with the newer handles they've got. People really love these for opening them. No more messing around with that thumb push. You just grab the handle and pull it open. It works a lot better. Then in the back we've got the nice sized bunks there. I would call those the twin beds. They've up to 275 pounds max on the top, so you can get a big kid up there, maybe even a good sized adult. And then down below the second bed we've got some storage down there. In the back bathroom we've got a nice shower, small tub, and then good room around the toilet, as well as a medicine cabinet and sink for brushing our teeth and getting ready for the day. Hey everybody, thanks for taking the time to watch this video today. Again, my name is Jason Fairchild. You can reach me directly at 541-228-6057. Thank you for your time. I appreciate you watching this.